Hi, I just wanted to make this video if I was just gonna do stuff like that. Sitting at the computer. I don't live in this house around me. I don't live in this house in the background. I just woke up like you guys remember me saying that. I'm just gonna make a video of me just of my iPod again. Gonna make a video of my iPod again. I'll show you all the apps I have. You guys heard of Deer Hunter? I'm not gonna show you that because it's just all you do is shh. That's all you do. Ow! I hate that table now. That table hit me. Oh, it didn't hit me. I hit it. It's like, I'm just kidding. Let's see. I'll show you. Just slide this unlock. Okay. Now I'll show you. This is my brother milk. I'll show you my milk. I'll show you. I can't do it. I'll show you guys the X3D. And do any of you guys to watch this and have an iPod Touch, or you can ask your parents for one if they would like it. You can just shake the iPod or iPhone. This could be for an iPhone too. Okay, that's all done. Alright. Today is Monday, July 5th. Okay. Okay, bye.